Ooh, I didn't have to get 5 people. Sweet. Alright, so there's that. Alright. Oh, jeez and pieces. Alright. Yeah, I guess I can do this quest. I can solo. I can solo. It's very possible. It's not like I can't, but it's just something I'm not. The word's not used to, but it's more like No, I didn't mean to do that. Not with these guys still here. Damn it!
Did you do that bird noise really loud?
You scared me. What the fuck? Oh my god! I'm in the middle of doing this.
Me too. No, seriously, that's
Try
really good.
Oh man, I still got 3 guys. What, you want me now? Like what?
Well, like, I don't care. I just need you to do it.
Okay, I'll do it as much as you want. Let's see. Oh god. It's a very annoying noise, actually. Never knew that.
I was associated with my name,
Oh god. Oh, wow, I'm not even touching the dude. Oh god. What's with the troll face? Shrieks summon a dark offspring. No, not the dark offspring bullshit! No! No! Actually, I don't know which one is the thing. What? Being quiet freaks me out. You guys freak me out when you're quiet. Okay, there we go.